Good evening, everyone. In this presentation, we are going to discuss business etiquette in the workplace. What is business etiquette? Business etiquette is the normal behavior that's expected of you in any situation. It is how your company and clients and colleagues expect you to act when operating for the company. I took this picture from the textbook. It's the 5 zones of professional etiquette that is important. Social setting etiquette is all about how you act when you're in a social setting with others. It's making sure when you introduce yourself to someone that you're stating your first name, last name, and the position that you hold at the company. It's being knowledgeable of your appearance and understanding how you look to others. It's knowing the customs of other cultures and making sure that you are not accidentally offending someone or embarrassing them. It is making sure when you have dinner meetings that you're choosing foods that are easy to eat and that you are not talking politics, religions, or other topics that could easily upset someone. Being aware of your actions in a social setting can help you to have a smoother business meeting. Online etiquette is very important. It is important to make sure you avoid personal attacks on others. It is making sure that you are not expressing opinions as facts and that you have the actual proof to back up your facts that you are stating. It's also avoiding multitasking. It is really easy when trying to multitask that you put something online that you did not intend to. It is also being aware that you do not necessarily have privacy, even when doing your own social media posts. It is important that you are not saying something that could put your company in a negative light. We actually had an issue with that with someone recently that put something on their Facebook page that cast a negative light over the company that the HR manager had to talk with them about being careful of what they are putting on their personal Facebook page. So it's important to be aware of what you're doing, even if you are on your own personal time. Telephone etiquette is very important. Make sure that you understand when you answer the phone how you're coming off to the people on the other end. It is really easy to come off mean and snippy when you do not mean to, and the person on the other end of the phone does not understand that. So make sure that you're always conscious on how you answer the phone. Be courteous when you call someone. If you call someone, ask them if they have time to speak with you. It is important because sometimes you could call someone at a bad time and they would be more open to talk to you if they can return your phone call, or you can try back than if you push them to listen to a sales pitch right then and there. Also, it is important to end calls with clarity and courtesy. I cannot tell you how many times at work when we talk to each other on our landline phones that someone just hangs up the phone at the end of a conversation instead of even saying goodbye. So it's important to be courteous and to understand how you're coming off to the person at the other end of the phone when ending a phone call. Mobile device etiquette is important to understand. Do not have obnoxious ringtones. Do not talk on the phone right next to someone. It can cause a lot of problems. Also, make sure that you are not texting while talking to others because you could miss some information. It can construed as being rude and that you're not actually caring about what is being said to you. And also, do not allow phone calls to interrupt your meetings. Either put your phone on silent or do not take it into the meeting. Whatever you need to do to make sure that you are not being a distraction. Etiquette in the workplace is important. Make sure that you're respecting other people's time, such as being on time to meetings, and make sure that you're not interrupting people and that you are fully listening and then stating your questions or concerns after they're done speaking. Do not gossip behind people's backs. That causes a lot of uncomfortableness in the workplace. And make sure that you're keeping your noise level reasonable. Don't be yelling or screaming in the workplace. Being aware of your personal appearance is very important. Make sure that you are dressing according to the dress code of your business so that you make sure that you are following the proper attire and representing your business well. That is it for tonight. I hope everyone had a good night and enjoyed the presentation.